Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing a lip swatch of some new lip products that I picked up, and these are the new One Stroke Velvet Lips from Orbal Cosmetics. They came out with 3 lip shades and we're going to be swatching them today. If you've been on my channel, you may remember I reviewed the Orbal Cosmetics eyeshadow palette back in December. I'll link that video somewhere in the cards. I highly suggest you guys check it out. Orbal Cosmetics is a new indie brand. So far they have their eyeshadow palette and the lip products available for purchase. And I thought these shades were super gorgeous and a well-rounded 3 shades that you can wear day to day or even evening. So I really wanted to showcase them. So I picked up these lip products a couple weeks ago. They were having a buy one, get one free BOGO on their lips. So I picked up 2 shades and the owner was kind enough to throw in the third shade in there for me to try out. So thank you to Orbal Cosmetics for that. I really appreciate it. Let's get into these shades. I'm going to put the pricing of these lip products here on the screen for you. I don't think their buy one get one is still going on, but if it is, I will again put it somewhere here on the screen. So let me show you the 3 shades. So we have the first shade is this guy right here. This is called Powder Kiss, and the packaging is very sleek, not bulky packaging, which I really like. The second shade is more of a pinky mauve shade, and this shade called Roseberry. So there you go. And last but not least, we have their red shade, and this is in Hot Drop. So I figured I would swatch them all today on my lips. Obviously some of these shades, namely this one, doesn't really go with the eye look that I have today. If you are interested in this eye look, I am actually filming it for another video. If it has been posted by the time this video goes up, I'll link it in the cards or in the description box, and if not, stay tuned. The eye look is coming. So the first shade, we're gonna go lightest to darkest just in case there's staining. This one I've actually used already. I used it over the weekend, so let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the applicator. We've got this doe foot applicator, and you can see it's a nude kind of mauve brown shade. It does have a scent, so it has kind of that sweet vanilla or like cake type scent. So to start off with this shade, I am actually gonna use a lip liner. I'm just gonna grab a brown toned lip liner. This is the Buxom Powerline Plumping Lip Liner in the shade High Def Honey. And we're gonna do a rough outline. So there we go. I didn't fill in my entire lip with this shade. And we're gonna go into the shade again, Powder Kiss, and I'm just wiping off some of the excess, and we're gonna go straight in. And there we have the first layer. This shade is actually a really great nude shade for me, to be honest. This is almost like my perfect nude. And that was all from one dip. I did not go back into the component to add more, and you can see that did a really great even job of coating my lips. It's a very comfortable formula. It doesn't feel drying or anything like that. And exactly how the product name, that velvet, One Stroke Velvet Lip, I think is a perfect way to describe this. Okay, so I went ahead and wiped off that shade, and I just used a makeup wipe. I don't feel my lips super dry or anything, but I am gonna apply just a little bit of some lip balm, and we're gonna go into the next shade. This is Roseberry. So I'm gonna take a kind of pink toned lip liner. This is again from Buxom. This is their Power Line Plumping Lip Liner in Dangerous Dolly. Okay, again, I haven't filled in my entire lip, so we're gonna go in with the shade, and this one I actually haven't tried on the lips yet. So here we have the applicator. This lip liner might not be dark enough, but let's give it a go. Oh wow, that is a pretty pink shade. I was expecting it to be more mauve toned, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay, so here we have Roseberry. I don't normally wear these types of shades or pink lipstick, or even this shade, to be honest, but this looks really pretty. I think it goes well with the eye look, just like a little more pink and lighter. Again, super comfortable on the lips. I didn't have to dip in more than that initial dip to apply it, and I feel like it coated my lips evenly. And while I'm not going to be doing a wear test necessarily, I feel like this would fade in a way where it would give you kind of like the lip stain type of fade or the popsicle lips type of fade. So it wouldn't look patchy or anything like that. Okay, so here we have shade number 2. Let's go on to the third and final shade. So I went ahead and wiped that off with the makeup wipe, and I'm just gonna touch up a little bit here. I'm trying to not ruin the rest of my makeup. And we do have a little bit of staining, you can see there. So like I said, I do think that it'll fade and give you kind of that, you know, popsicle lip type of fade. Again, just gonna apply a tiny bit of lip balm, and we're gonna go into the deepest shade, this red shade in Hot Drop. And for that, I'm gonna use a ColourPop lip liner. This is Poison. It's one of their older shades. So I don't know if ColourPop still has it, to be honest. I'm gonna do a rough outline with this, so don't judge me. We'll clean it up with the lip product. Here we go. So here we have the shade Hot Drop, and don't judge me, I am not the best at doing red lip on camera, but you can see the shade. Again, one stroke, we only dipped in once, and giving very even coverage. I would say this red is more of like a berry burgundy red, which are the types of reds that I personally like. I feel like they look more flattering on my skin tone. Comfortable velvet feel. Doesn't lift when I press my lips together. It blended beautifully into the lip liner. It is transferable, so beware of that, especially if you're eating, if you're going out to eat with red lipstick. You don't want it to get everywhere. So yeah, these are the 3 shades from Orbal Cosmetics. Let me know in the comments below which of the 3 were your favorites and whether or not you've tried it. If you haven't, I highly suggest picking them up. I'm going to leave their website in the description box below. Thanks for checking out this video and joining me in my first lip swatch video. I don't think I've done a lip swatch, like a dedicated lip swatch video before, so there's a first for everything. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Layla. Thank you for checking out my channel. Make sure to subscribe before you leave and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I usually upload a video once a week on Tuesdays or sometimes Thursdays, depending on my schedule. Thanks again for joining, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.